King Naya Uhuru Nation here, King of Jamaica. I'm here visiting the PUM PUM Rock here on the Bagwalk Gorge, St. Catherine, or off the Bagwalk Gorge. It's in the Kobe River, the PUM PUM Rock, which is a big deal for the Uhuru Nation. It is a big deal for the Uhuru Nation, this thing called PUM PUM Rock. You barely see it through this now. The idea now is for me to go down there. I have to climb over these rocks or down these rocks. I don't know if it's stable or not. To the river and go through the river. Remember talk that loud because the truck did a pass down in here. I have to go to the river, through the river, into the rock. That is PUM PUM Rock. Now we have to figure out how that go. Go on because them rock can look that stable. So we have to take the time. Let's see how long it will take me to do that. You know better than me because you know the length of the video by looking, but right now I don't know nothing except say I reach a PUM PUM Rock a long time. If I reach a Uhuru Nation needs this rock here. Like how the man them need the real thing that this rock represent. Yeah, and we start that building process. Taking with time. Step in little, watch how you put them white up already. Yeah? Step in little over the rocks to the PUM PUM rocks. Or step in little down the rocks to the PUM PUM Rock. Yeah, the stone them not that loose, but them not that sturdy neither. Where's that? That I was afraid. If you have one big one like this broke with you, that are the kind of thing we have to take our time. We're anxious to get to the PUM PUM Rock. But we have to take our time as the Uhuru Nation people. You're King Naya? Yes, King Naya. No, you got to take your time. See, we're in your river. I don't really reach it, but kind of reach it-ish. Alright. Kobe River is the third longest river on the island of Jamaica. Cobre means copper. Rio is river. It's Spanish. In Espanol, Rio. En inglés, river. En español, cobre. Copper in English. The Copper River is where we're at. And here it is. PUM PUM Rock. Now, even the people, the water look deeper than my thing. I know say swimming wise, I don't want my clothes. I don't really come here prepared. I come here to check what I go on with the rock here. And we are going to make what I go on with the rock here. And we are going to follow and know.